Why do 90% of river restorers believe they can create Edens on Earth? Spoiler alert, it's all about science and nature working together. In Somerset, England, researchers are transforming rivers into lush Edens using a groundbreaking technique called Stage Zero. Originally from Oregon, this method reconnects rivers to their natural floodplains, and the results are nothing short of miraculous. Imagine a 1.2-kilometer stretch of the River Aller bustling with wildlife, waterfowl, eels, and even rare species like the green sandpiper. Endangered water voles are making a comeback too. But it's not just about the animals. These restored wetlands act as natural sponges, soaking up excess water during heavy rains and releasing it during dry spells. Talk about a win-win. This project shows us that when we give nature a chance, it thrives. It's a beacon of hope for wetland restoration, proving that science and nature together can combat biodiversity loss and secure our water resources. So next time you see a river, remember, science can turn it into an Eden. Let's give nature a chance and witness the magic. Science and Health Spotlight.